Alan gave some pens to club members. If each member received 12 pens, he would need another 42 pens. If each member received 15 pens, he would need another 75 pens. Part A, how many members were there in the club? Part B, how many pens did he have? Now this is an example of a double if question. As you can see, there are two if scenarios. Sometimes they will use the word when instead. Alright, but in general you will see two cases. Scenario 1 and scenario 2. So we write that down. Scenario 1, this will be he will need another 42 pens, which means this is a shortage of 42 pens. Alright, scenario 2 will be a shortage as well, because he needs 75 more pens. Shortage of 75 pens. Alright, so we can actually find the gap and the difference as well. So the gap, if both cases are the same, both are shortages or both are excesses, we need to do a subtraction. 75 minus 42, this will give us 33. And as for the difference, it will be the difference in each of the scenarios cases. So scenario 2, 15 pens each. Scenario 1, 12 pens each. So difference is always a subtraction. 15 minus 12. So we get 3. And the next thing we can find is already the number of members. Gap divide by difference, we have 11 members. Alright, so that's the answer for question A. Now for part B, how many pens did he have? We can use either of the scenarios. So let's say you want to use scenario number 1. Each member received 12 pens. Okay, so 11 times 12. But then he will need another 42 pens, which means he does not really have 11 times 12. He has 11 times 12 minus 42. He has lesser pens. Okay, so 11 times 12 minus 42, that will give you 90 pens. We can check our answers by using scenario 2. Okay, scenario 2, each member got 15 pens. So 15 times 11, he'll be short of 75. 15 times 11, that will be 165, minus 75, that will still give you 90 pence. Final answer, 90 pence.